So today we're doing beef tips with brown gravy and another batch with marinara sauce. So here we go. Hi, today we're making beef tips. We're going to smoke this chuck roast. We have Lawry's seasoned salt and some carne asada on it. We have the bottle for the spritzing. We have the smoker set at 225 with a competition blend Pit Boss pellet. So yeah, we're gonna get this on the smoker. We're gonna then that's Scarlet. So we're going to be making a pasta, and then we are going to do one with a gravy, a brown gravy, and the other with just marinara sauce. So, all right, the chuck steak reached 155. We're going to throw this in foil to get it to about 195, 205. So here we go. We got the steak off the smoker. It hit like 195, and we have the water boiling for the pasta. We are a gluten-free household, so this is pasta that my wife picked up from the grocery store. I'm not sure where exactly it is from, but you can see the name there. So if you are gluten-free or intolerant of wheat products, which we are here, like I say, if she is gluten intolerant, so am I, because we are not a restaurant, so we make everything to fit one recipe. I have butter, flour, and broth for the gravy. The flour is gluten-free flour mixed with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So we will get everything going once the pasta is all al dente. We will do the other sauces or whatever needs to be done to get this done. So we'll be back. So here we go. We have our pasta drained off. Like I say, it's gluten-free. Gluten-free. We are a gluten-free household here. So we have sauce boiling for one. We have the butter cooking for the flour. So basically, once the butter melts down, we're going to add in flour, and it's 4 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, along with 3.5 cups of water has 2 chicken cubes in it and 2 beef cubes and 2 bouillon cubes, I should say. So, all right, we will be right back for that. So here we are. We got the marinara on the right and the cheese on top, which is what my wife prefers. I like the brown gravy on top of the pasta. Like I say, totally gluten-free and smoked beef. So there you go. Enjoy, like, and share, and subscribe if you find anything worth using here. So, all right. See you next time.